Good morning, students. Uh, this is Harsnath Shukla, and today chapter 3, mathematics, class 12, matrices. So, in matrices, first of all, we are just going to see the definition and all other things. So, what is a matrix? So, you may see this is the definition. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers of function or functions. The number of functions are called the elements of the matrices. That is, matrix is nothing but a rectangular arrangement of m rows and n columns. So, if you see this A is equal to, this is the symbol of matrix, and here there are 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2 columns. So this is the matrix of this is the matrix having 3 rows and 2 columns. Similarly, next one B is the matrix having 3 rows and 3 columns. Similarly, next C is the matrix having 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is the matrix. Now next topic we are just going to discuss order of matrix. What is the order of matrix? So M cross N, that is, if a matrix have m rows and n columns, then order of the matrix is m cross n. Again, if a matrix having m rows and n columns, then order of the matrix is m cross n. For example, if a matrix having 3 rows and 2 columns, then order of matrix is 3 cross 2. So you just see the above examples. The first matrix is of 3 cross 2 order. The second matrix is of 3 cross 3 order. The third matrix is of 2 rows and 3 columns, so 2 cross 3. In general, the matrix is represented by this. A is equal to Aij m cross n, where 1 is less than or equal to I is less than or equal to m, and 1 is less than or equal to j is less than or equal to n for each I j belongs to natural number. For each I j belongs to natural number. The ith rows consist of A11, A12, these elements, and the jth row consider Aij, 1j, A2j, A3j. Number of element in a matrix. So number of element in a matrix is defined as the m cross n. That is, if a matrix have 3 rows, 2 columns, then having 6 elements. For example, this one, if a matrix has 3 row 3 column, then this have 9 elements. So similarly, 4 cross 3 matrix has 12 elements, and so on. So one question based on the order of the matrix, which is most important and also important for board. So many times it asks in the board. A matrix having, question is, listen question carefully, a matrix having 10 elements. A matrix having 10 elements, then what are the possible orders of this matrix? So if a matrix having 10 elements, then possible orders are 1 cross 10, 10 cross 1, 2 cross 5, 5 cross 2. So these are the possible orders for that particular matrix having 10 elements. Now next is, see, this is the note. We shall follow the notation. A is equal to aij. This means you just see this A is equal to aij m cross n. Aij, this is the element m cross n to indicate it A as a matrix of order m. We shall consider those matrices whose elements are real or functions taking real values. That means in this chapter we shall discuss only those matrices which have real entries. Real entries means the elements of the matrix are real or functions of real values. Now you just see next one. See. Yes, see this question. A matrix have 8 elements. What are possible order it can have? So it already shall discuss. Now construct. This is also a most important question. Third, construct a matrix whose elements are given by aij is equal to 1 by 2 within mod I minus 3j. So very simple. If we want to find the matrix of order 3 cross 2 with this entries, this is the particular element. So 3 cross 2 means there are 6 elements. So what are these 6 elements? A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. So A11. Whenever you want to find A11, that means at the place of I1, at the place of J1. Just see here, A11, 1 by 2, I minus 3j, I is equal to 1, 2, 3, and I is A11. See, I 1 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 1. A12 you want to find, A12, 1 by 2, 1 minus 3 into 2, this is 5 by 2. So these are the entries actually. These are the entries, and this is the next form matrix. So in this manner you can see so many questions are there. So you just solve it. And now types of matrices. So the first matrix is column matrix. We already sent a video also, so from that you also see a column matrix. A matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column. That means a matrix is said to be column matrix if a matrix has only one column. That means there is no only one column. That means any row, any number of row, but column is one. So if aij is equal to m cross n matrix, then n must be 1. Then this particular matrix is known as column matrix. Similarly, row matrix in which only one row, that means number of rows are 1. Square matrix, this is a very important matrix, and you just study through all chapters, square matrix through all chapters, in whole chapters. See, a matrix having number of rows and number of columns are equal is defined as a square matrix. That is, in a matrix having same number of rows and number of columns is defined as square matrix. For example, m is equal to n. This is known as square matrix of order n. So m cross n. For this, whenever you write the square matrix, simply you can say square matrix of order n. Then obviously there is n square element in that particular matrix, because order is both the row and columns are same. So here note you see aij square matrix of order n, elements entries a11, a12, and therefore constitute the diagonal of matrix A. Thus, if A is equal to this, then elements of diagonal of A is equal to 1, 4, 6. So 1 4 6. This is the diagonal. See carefully, this is the diagonal. 1 4 6 is diagonal element. Now diagonal matrix, a matrix, a square matrix B is equal to Bij m cross m is said to be a diagonal matrix if all non-diagonal elements are 0. That is, matrix B is equal to Bij m cross n said to be diagonal if matrix have if Bij is equal to 0 where I does not equal to 0. J. That means if elements except diagonal elements are 0, then this particular matrix is known as diagonal matrix. See here, except diagonal, all other elements in this matrix is 0. That is, this is a diagonal matrix. Similarly, scalar matrix, if all the entries of diagonal element are scalar and equal, then this is defined as the scalar matrix. And now, what is the identity matrix? Identity matrix, the diagonal, if in a matrix diagonal elements are 1 1 1, this is known as identity matrix. So there is one case, scalar matrix and identity matrix. Either all identity matrix is a scalar matrix. Yes, it is true. Every identity matrix is a scalar matrix, but converse need not be true. That means every scalar matrix need not be a diagonal matrix. Here you see, observe that the scalar matrix, identity matrix, when k is equal to 1. For every identity matrix is clearly, every identity matrix is clearly a scalar matrix. Okay. And now zero matrix. So if all entries of a matrix of any order is 0, then this is known as zero matrix. Now we are just going to see equality of matrix. This is also most important thing. If A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij are two matrices, then they are said to be equal if they have same order and each element of A equal to the corresponding element of B. That means if there are two matrices which are equal, then see each elements in each corresponding element should be equal. For example, this is the question which is important also. Find the value of x, y, z in this particular matrix if they are equal. So simply you have to put each corresponding element should be equal, then the value of x, y, z will be obtained. First, x plus 3, this is 0. See, a11, this is b11. a11 is equal to b11. So x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3. Similarly, all other elements you should find. So afterwards, exercise 3.1 you can do. I hope you all are safe, and please try to understand the seriousness of these particular classes, because in this situation we have to do whatever best from ourselves. So please try to understand, and I'm just trying to my best that you should understand each and everything, each and every topic. Thank you very much.